Austin, the vibrant capital of Texas, is a city renowned for its eclectic culture, innovative spirit, and rich history. Nestled along the Colorado River, this city has transformed from a modest settlement into a bustling metropolis that attracts artists, entrepreneurs, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Its thriving music scene, often dubbed the live music capital of the world, hosts hundreds of concerts annually, showcasing genres from blues and country to indie and rock, with iconic venues like the Continental Club and ACL Live providing platforms for emerging talents and legendary performers. Beyond its musical heritage, Austin boasts a dynamic arts community, featuring numerous galleries, theaters, and public art installations that reflect the city's creative pulse. The city's commitment to sustainability and green spaces is evident in its numerous parks and outdoor recreational areas, such as Zilker Park and Lady Bird Lake, offering residents and visitors opportunities for kayaking, hiking, and picnicking amidst scenic landscapes. The city's commitment to environmental consciousness is also reflected in its emphasis on eco-friendly urban development and renewable energy initiatives. Austin is home to several prestigious institutions of higher education, including the University of Texas at Austin, which contributes significantly to research, innovation, and the local economy. The university's sprawling campus is a hub of academic excellence, hosting diverse events and fostering a vibrant student community. The city's tech sector has experienced exponential growth, earning it the nickname Silicon Hills, as many startups and established tech giants establish offices here, driving innovation in fields such as software development, biotechnology, and clean energy. Culturally, Austin is a melting pot, with a diverse population that enriches its culinary scene. The city offers a wide array of gastronomic experiences, from traditional Tex-Mex and barbecue to vegan and international cuisines. Food festivals like the Austin Food and Wine Festival and the Pecan Street Festival celebrate local flavors and culinary artistry, drawing visitors from across the globe. The city's markets, such as the Austin Farmers Market, emphasize sustainability and support for local farmers and artisans. Historical landmarks also define Austin's character. The Texas state capitol, with its imposing neoclassical architecture, stands as a testament to the state's history and governance. The Bullock Texas State History Museum offers insights into Texas's past, from its indigenous roots through its journey to statehood. The historic district of 6th Street is famous for its lively nightlife, live music venues, and vibrant street art, embodying the city's youthful and energetic spirit. Austin's commitment to inclusivity and social justice is reflected in numerous community initiatives and festivals that celebrate diversity and promote equality. Events like Austin Pride and the Pecan Street Festival foster a sense of community and highlight the city's progressive values. The city also actively supports environmental conservation, with programs aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting urban sustainability. The city's economy is multifaceted, with sectors ranging from technology and education to healthcare and manufacturing. Major employers include tech firms, educational institutions, government agencies, and energy companies, contributing to a stable and expanding job market. The city's strategic location, coupled with a robust infrastructure, facilitates commerce and attracts international business investments. Austin's culinary scene extends beyond restaurants to include food trucks and street vendors, offering quick bites and unique flavors that reflect the city's innovative approach. The vibrant nightlife, with its numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues, ensures that the city remains lively well into the early hours. Additionally, the city hosts major annual events such as South by Southwest, a convergence of film, music, and interactive media, which has become a global platform for creative industries. Education and innovation are deeply embedded in the city's fabric. The University of Texas at Austin's research centers contribute to advancements in medicine, engineering, and technology. The city's startup ecosystem is supported by numerous accelerators, co-working spaces, and investment funds, fostering a culture of entrepreneurship and risk-taking. Austin's commitment to outdoor lifestyles is evident in its extensive trail networks and outdoor recreation programs. The Barton Creek Greenbelt offers hiking, mountain biking, and rock climbing amid natural beauty, encouraging active living. The city's emphasis on outdoor activities complements its warm climate, which allows for year-round enjoyment of its many parks and lakes. The city's transportation infrastructure includes a growing network of bike lanes, public transit options, and the futuristic Capitol Metrorail, making commuting more sustainable and efficient. Efforts to reduce traffic congestion and pollution are ongoing, with initiatives promoting carpooling and electric vehicle adoption. In recent years, Austin has become a hub for innovation in sustainable urban development, with projects focusing on smart city concepts, renewable energy integration, and waste reduction. Its forward-thinking approach aims to balance growth with environmental stewardship, ensuring a high quality of life for future generations. The city's residents are known for their friendliness, openness, and entrepreneurial spirit. This vibrant community fosters a sense of belonging, encouraging cultural exchange and civic engagement. Festivals, farmers markets, and community workshops are common, creating a lively social fabric that reflects Austin's inclusive ethos. Overall, Austin is a city that harmonizes tradition with modernity, creativity with innovation, and urban growth with environmental consciousness. It continues to evolve as a center of culture, technology, and sustainability, shaping its identity as a dynamic and welcoming city on the global stage.